Are you having a tantrum? Okay, she's looking in my pocket for my phone, which I am currently holding. She's still looking in that pocket. Let's see if she has a tantrum. Katie, you can't have the phone right now. You can't have it right now. I'm sorry.
Why can you not have it?
Oh, well, she's going to have a tantrum. Here she goes, Matthew. She's going to have a tantrum. Are you mad, Katie? Uh-oh.
Pouting.
She's pouting. Are you mad?
No. Go. A big spider bingo. No. Everybody big spider bingo.
Matthew.
I gotta pull.
Honey, don't pull on my neck.